Today we are going to log into our Netgear Ac750 Range Extender. All you need to do is open your preferred web browser such as Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, or Opera Mini. Go to mywifiext.net. A login screen appears in front of you. Now fill in your username and password that you had used during setting up your Netgear Range Extender device. In case if you forget your Netgear Range Extender password and username, get in touch with our Netgear support team. Note, the default password and username is admin. Once you're successfully logged into the site, then you can now do a variety of things such as firmware update, monitor network, and much more. We hope this video helped you out. In case if you are still facing any issue with your Netgear Range Extender device, get in touch with our Netgear Range Extender experts for instant solutions. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share, and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel.